How to add money to PayPal from Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add your money to your PayPal account from your Cash App account. So first of all, in order to add money to your PayPal account, you need to open your Cash App account first. So just open your Cash App account, and after that just simply click on the profile icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen. And after that just scroll down and click on linked banks, and here just simply tap on link debit card, and after that just click on no card, click on continue, and over here you need to search for the PayPal on the search bar. You will see the PayPal option right here, and when you click on the PayPal option, you will be able to see that the PayPal option is currently not available in the Cash App account, and it says that Cash App doesn't support connectivity between PayPal and Cash App. Try another financial institution to check for another connection method. So basically, you won't be able to connect your PayPal account and your Cash App account together right now at this moment, but all you can do is just connect your any other bank account. For example, if you are using some other bank account, for example Chase, Bank of America, or any other bank account, just go ahead and link that particular bank account to your Cash App account right here after entering your credentials. And once you are done adding your bank account to your Cash App account, just simply come all the way back to your home screen in your Cash App account, and after that just simply click on the banking icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen, and here you will be able to see the option called add cash and cash out. So in order to cash out your amount from your Cash App account, you need to have some cash balance in your Cash App account. Since as you can see that I don't have any cash balance right now in my Cash App account, but if you have the cash balance in your Cash App account, just simply enter the amount and click on cash out. And once you click on cash out, your amount will be transferred to your Cash App account, to the bank account that you have just attached to your Cash App account. And once you send the amount to the bank account, all you have to do is just open your PayPal account, and from here you need to attach the same bank account that you have attached from your Cash App account to the PayPal account as well, and then you will be able to extract the money from your bank account to your PayPal account quite easily. So this way you will be able to add your money to your PayPal account from your Cash App account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.